Well, hello folks, Mansoor Suhail from My Learning Center welcomes you. What are we going to talk about today? Today, we'll discuss 5 effective strategies to set revenue targets for your new business. Well, let me tell you, setting revenue goals is crucial for the growth and success of a business. By establishing targets and implementing strategies, you can drive your company forward. So in this presentation, we will explore 5 approaches to help you define and achieve revenue objectives for your startup. By understanding these methods, you can create a roadmap that aligns with your business goals and sets the stage for growth and financial prosperity. Understanding your market and industry. When setting goals for your business, it's crucial to understand the market and industry you are entering. Conducting market research to grasp your target audience's needs and buying behavior is key. Researching market dynamics, competitor strategies, and industry trends can greatly assist in goal setting. Examining consumer preferences and market demand can also provide insights when determining your revenue target. By identifying gaps and opportunities in the market, you can make revenue projections. It's beneficial to evaluate advantages and market positioning through tools like SWOT analysis while establishing revenue targets. Unfortunately, aligning revenue goals with your company's growth trajectory requires an understanding of your market and industry nuances. Setting realistic and achievable goals. When planning the revenue forecasts for your business, it's important to start by setting achievable objectives. By taking into account factors such as consumer demand, market trends, and financial predictions, you can establish goals that are within reach over a period. For instance, aiming for sales targets might hinder long-term progress and lead to demotivation in a fiercely competitive industry. Instead, focus on setting feasible goals that can gradually propel your company forward. Additionally, consider diversifying your revenue sources to minimize risk and enhance opportunities for income growth. By creating a strategy that aligns your company's aspirations with its capabilities and the market conditions, you can pave the way for success. Analyzing your competitors. Analyzing your competitors' sales goals is a step in establishing realistic and achievable objectives for your new business. Understanding the competition landscape can provide insights into industry trends, pricing strategies, and customer preferences. When setting your targets, you can look to your competitors' revenue figures and growth patterns for guidance. By examining factors such as a competitor's revenue growth over a period and their success in an industry, you can better inform your own projections. Assessing the strengths and weaknesses of your competitors' strategies allows you to identify opportunities and mitigate risks, giving you an edge in developing your revenue target plan. So let us discuss the 5 strategies. Utilizing financial data and projections. To establish revenue targets for a business, it's important to rely on data and forecasts. By analyzing performance such as sales figures, expenses, and profit margins, you can uncover trends that will inform your revenue projections. For example, if your company has been steadily growing at a rate of 10% annually, use this data to project income targets. Additionally, conducting market research and understanding consumer demand can help you make predictions about sales, volumes, and pricing strategies. These insights, based on data, can assist in setting achievable revenue goals that align with your company's objectives and financial resources. Consideration of marketing and sales strategies. When planning revenue projections for a business, it is important to consider marketing and sales strategies that can impact your overall financial performance. Implementing marketing campaigns and sales techniques can enhance customer acquisition and retention leading to increased revenue growth over time. Using methods such as social media advertising, content marketing, and email campaigns can help expand your reach and generate sales opportunities. By incorporating sales automation technologies and customer relationship management systems, you can improve conversion rates and streamline processes. By integrating these marketing and sales approaches into your revenue target strategy, you can build a foundation for achieving your business objectives. Continual monitoring and adjustment. To achieve and meet revenue goals for a business, it's crucial to monitor and adjust strategies. By keeping an eye on your performance compared to set targets, you can identify any deviations early and take necessary actions. If projected revenue falls short, consider adjusting pricing or exploring market opportunities. Regularly reviewing expenses, sales figures, and overall performance enables decision making to enhance income generation. Studying market trends and gathering client feedback also provides insights for refining revenue targets. Embracing an approach to monitoring and adapting strategies can enhance the success and sustainability of your company. Creating milestones for tracking progress. To ensure that your revenue goals are realistic and on the path, it's important to establish checkpoints to gauge progress. By breaking down your revenue target into more attainable objectives, you can easily track your advancement and make necessary tweaks as necessary. Setting sales targets that align with your objectives is a practical approach to monitoring progress and identifying areas for enhancement. These milestones serve as markers as you work towards achieving your goals for your business, helping you stay motivated and concentrated. Additionally, recognizing and celebrating each milestone reached can boost team morale. Maintain momentum towards reaching milestones. In essence, a key strategy in monitoring and achieving income targets is defining measurable benchmarks. Seeking professional advice and guidance. When setting revenue targets for your business, seeking guidance from professionals with knowledge and expertise can be incredibly beneficial. Consulting with advisors, business mentors, or industry experts can simplify decision making based on market trends and analysis. These individuals offer perspectives that can help you identify revenue streams, evaluate growth opportunities, and establish realistic goals aligned with your company's objectives. Additionally, they can assist in overcoming challenges and implementing strategies to enhance revenue generation through their wealth of experience and insights. Leveraging the expertise of others can enhance your approach to setting revenue goals and increase the likelihood of achieving business success. So let's talk about summarizing your revenue target plan in the conclusion. It is essential to create a summary outlining the decisions and outcomes when developing a revenue target strategy for any company. Evaluate whether the original financial objectives are still relevant based on market conditions and company performance. Review the strategies employed to achieve revenue targets and assess their feasibility. Reflect on achievements towards objectives and areas that require enhancement. When looking ahead, consider factors such as market trends and competition that could impact revenue goals. By crafting a revenue target plan, you can make informed choices to adapt and grow your business, gaining insights into the effectiveness of your strategies. So here's the question, folks. Curious about how to successfully start your own business? Our step-by-step guide offers practical insights and clear directions to help you get started. Visit our website to learn more. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Share it with your friends and be sure to hit the bell icon for notifications on our latest updates and content.